Open the door to your future. In facilities maintenance. At Hennepin Technical College, our facilities maintenance program prepares you to keep buildings running strong, safe, and efficiently. You'll gain hands-on experience working with electrical, plumbing, welding, machining, and fluid power systems. Learning to maintain, repair, and troubleshoot essential facility equipment. Through structured lab projects, you'll practice real-world maintenance techniques using industry-standard tools and equipment. This practical experience prepares you with the in-demand skills employers look for in this competitive and exciting industry. Graduates can find careers as a maintenance technician, building engineer, facilities technician, facilities manager, and more. Build your future in facilities maintenance at Hennepin Tech.